After completing some basic concepts of TOC and construction of DFA from the given language, now we will solve some MCQs based on these concepts. So our first question is, the smallest finite automata which accepts the language x, where the length of x is divisible by 3, has 2 states, 3 states, 4 or 5 states. So whenever we will talk about the divisibility by 3 or any number, then number of states will be equivalent to this number. So here it is divisible by 3, so we can have 3 remainders. Either we can get 0, or we can get 1, or we can get 2. So suppose we took the Q0 to represent 0 remainder, Q1 to represent 1 remainder, and Q2 to represent 2 remainder. So these are the 3 states and divisible by 3. So whenever you will get the 0 remainder, you can say the given number is divisible by 3. And this is showing the remainder 1. अच्छा, यहाँ पर input symbol हमें given नहीं है, so you can consider anything because you have to just worry about the length. So either you can take single 1 as a input symbol. So single 1 जब है, so length क्या है इसकी 1. 1 divided by 3 is 1 and 1 is represented by Q1. 1 1 1 1. So its length is 2. 2 divided by 3 is 2. So you should reach at Q2. When the length of given string is 3, 3 divided by 3 is 0. So you should reach at Q0. Or you can consider the input symbol as 0 and 1 also. So in that case, what will happen? 0 or 1. So either you can pick 0 or 1. Suppose I picked 0. Next you can again pick either 0 or 1. Suppose I picked 1. Then again I picked this 0. So length is 3 and 3 divided by 3 is 0. So you should reach at 3. So correct answer is 3 states. 2 states कब होंगे? When you are talking about the divisible by 2. Divisible by 4 में you will get 4 states. Divisible by 4 and divisible by 5. So either divisible will be written or mod 2 or mod 4 or mod 5, and this is for the mod 3 as well. So you will get 3 states. Our next question is, a minimum state deterministic finite automata accepting the language W such that W belongs to 0 1 star and number of 0 is divisible by 3 and number of 1 is divisible by 5. So number of 0 is divisible by 3 will have 3 states and number of 1 divisible by 5 will have 5 states. And then when you combine these two, you will get 15 states. So you just have to take the cross product of these two numbers. And you can go through this link where I have explained how to construct such DFAs in detail. So you have to divide such questions into 2 parts. First part will have the number of 0 is divisible by 3. So number of 0 divisible by 3. And in another part you have to construct where the number of 1 is divisible by 5. Number of 1, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 5. Now you have to take the cross product of these two DFAs, or there is a shortcut for combining these two DFAs. So just put one DFA as horizontally and another one as vertically. Sorry, it will be here only. 0, 0. This will be your initial state. Zero, 0, and you have to define the transition from each state since we are constructing the DFA. Now again put this divisible by 5 DFA as horizontally. Now you can check, I have defined the transition of 0 and 1 from each state. 0 and 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, sorry, this is 1 and 0. This is 0 for this transition. Okay, next we will take some strings and then we will check whether it is correct or not. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So number of 1 is divisible by 5 and number of 0 is divisible by 3. So we should reach at the final state, then only we can say this DFA is correct and this string is accepted. 1, 1, 0, 0, then 1, then 0, and again 0, then triple 1, 1, 1 and 1. So we are reaching at the final state. This means this is our final DFA, and you can count the number of states also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next question is, consider the deterministic finite automata for input alphabets A and B for the language where number of A and W mod 3 greater than number of B and W mod 3 such that A greater than B. So we have to tell the number of final states. First, number of A and W mod 3, number of states will be 3. For the number of B and W mod 3, number of states will be 3. So total number of states will be 9, 3 cross 3. And don't get confused that at both the places mod 3 is written, so number of states will be 3. No. 3 for this number of A and W mod 3 and 3 for this number of B and W mod 3. So combinedly we will have 9 states. Now since we are talking about the mod 3, so remainder can be 0, 1 and 2. Same will happen for the number of B. Now when we will take the cross product of these two, number of states will be 9 and the number of states will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1 and 2, 2. And here this first digit will represent the number of A's in a string. And here second digit will represent number of B's in a string. And when we will construct the DFA for number of A and W mod 3, so this will be our DFA. For number of B and W mod 3, so our DFA will be this. Now to combine these two DFAs, you have to take the cross product and then you will have these 9 states. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1 and 2, 2. And this will be your initial state. Now to take the cross product of these two automata, one automata you have to put horizontally and another one vertically. Since this first digit is representing the number of 0, number of A is 0, so we will put this as horizontally. and this one as vertically. Now at any state you can check whether this is satisfying the condition or not. 1 1. So when you will reach this state 1 1 from the initial state 0 0, the number of A should be 1 and number of B should be 1. So either you can take this path, so number of A is 1 and number of B is 1, or you can take this path, so number of A and B both will be 1. For example, consider this state 2 1. So number of A should be 2 and number of B should be 1. So B A, yes, number of A is 2, number of B is 1. Or you can take this path, A B A, number of A 2, number of B is 1. A B, again this condition is satisfied. So this is our final DFA. Let me clean it. Okay, so this is our DFA. Now we have to identify the number of final states. Since the condition is given to us is number of A should be greater than number of B. Here number of A and number of B are 0 0. Number of A and number of B is 0 1. But A should be greater than B. So this will be one of your final state, and this will be our final state, and this will be our final state. So in this way we will have 3 final states, which will be 1 0, 2 0 and 2 1. And suppose, so correct answer will be this 3. And next, suppose the question is given to you was number of A in W mod 3 greater than equals to number of B in W mod 3. Suppose this question is given to us. So since here we have equal sign also, so our final states will be this 0 0, 1 0, 1 1, 2 0, 2 1 and 2 2. So in this case we will have 6 final states. So in that case we will have 6 final states. Next question is, consider a DFA over the input alphabets A, B, accepting all strings which have number of A's divisible by 6 and number of B is divisible by 8. What is the minimum number of states that the DFA will have? So number of A is divisible by 6 will have 6 states. Number of B is divisible by 8, we will have 8 states. And when we will take the cross product of these two DFAs, we will have 48 states. So correct answer is D. Our next question is, how many states are there in a minimum state deterministic finite automata accepting the language where number of 0 is divisible by 2 and number of 1 is divisible by 5 over the input alphabets 0 and 1. So number of 0 is divisible by 2, we will have 2 states where the remainders can be 0 and 1. For the number of 1 is divisible by 5, we will have 5 states where the remainders can be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And when we will take the cross product of these two, we will have the 10 states. So correct answer is C. Consider the following language where x belongs to AB star such that number of A in x divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So number of A's in x divisible by 2 will have 2 states. We will have 2 states, A and this B. And since there is no restriction on B, so we can apply the self loop here. But not divisible by 3. So first we will construct a DFA which is divisible by 3. So here we will have 3 states. and since there is no restriction on B, we can apply the self loop. Now this is for divisible by 3, but in the question it is given that it should not be divisible by 3. So to construct a DFA which is not divisible by 3, we have to interchange the final and non-final state. So D and E will be our final states and the transition will remain same. So this will be our DFA. Now here you can see that both the DFA, divisible by 3 and not divisible by 3, will have the 3 states. So when you will take the cross product of these two DFAs, the total number of states will be 6. Now to construct a DFA which satisfy both these conditions, first we define the transition. Okay, transition of A from C is on D, transition of A from D is on E, transition of A from E is C, transition of A from A is on B, transition of A from B is on A. Now there will be 6 states, will be AC, AD and AE, BC, BD and BE. Our initial state will be AC because here C is the initial state and A is the initial state, and final state will be AD and AE. So this will be your final state. Now transition of B can be self loop. Now we have to define the transition of A from each state. So transition of A from AC will be on BD. So this will be your transition. Transition of A from AD, it will be on BE. Transition of transition of A from AE, it will be on BC. And transition of A from BC, it will be on AD. Transition of A from BD, it will be on AE. Transition of A from BE, it will be on AC. So this is how we can construct a DFA for the language where number of A in X divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, and total number of states will be 6. Now we will take some strings and then we will check this DFA. For example, if I am taking this double A, double B, so it should stop at the final state because here number of A's in X divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So from this initial state you will take this A, again you will take A, then B. Yes, this is accepted. Now this string should not be accepted. Triple A, double B, 1A, 2A, then 3A and 2 times B. Yes, this is also not accepted. It means our machine is correct. Now take another example, A, B, B, A, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so 6 A's are here. We should not reach at the final state after processing this string. So let me take the another color. A, B, then A, B, then 1A, 2A, 3A and this 4A. So after processing this string, we are not reaching at the final state. It means our DFA is correct because it is not accepting this string.